Hello and welcome to Aryabhata Ashram. This is a very pertinent and imperative daily answer writing question session for mathematics optional. This is a very watershed moment in the life of students who want to have a daily crunching with the numbers and mathematics. Let us see this question. Limit xy tends to 0, 0 x square y upon x cube plus y cube. This is asked in Civil Services Examination 2011. Well, the syllabus of UPSC speaks of indeterminate form and limits, but now they have asked a question on two-sided limits. The concepts that you learn at the basics, that is also helpful for you to apply on multiple sided limits. It could be two-sided, it could be three-sided, it could be n-sided. So, we can see, we always see the pattern. We see the degree on numerator is 3 and so the degree in denominator is also 3. So, I have a way of scaling it. So, my first instinct, if I think that I can have my paths. So, the concept of limit is simply in double sided limit is that if I choose n number of path and if my limits are different for different path chosen, then limit does not exist. This is the fundamental idea behind this. Now, I take this path y is equal to mx. So, this function, if I take this as x square y upon x cube plus y cube, so this is nothing but x square mx upon x cube plus mx cube. So, I can write this as mx cube upon x cube 1 plus m cube. Now, this is a path dependent m. So, from this I can conclude that limit does not exist because it is path dependent. Also, if I approach this limit along say origin, if I approach it along y axis, x axis or y axis, my limits are different. My limits are different. Henceforth, I can say that the limit does not exist. Now, UPSC can ask you questions on these type, and we have a compendium of questions which are like-minded questions on double and triple sided limits. So, this is going to help you to bolster your preparation so that you are aligned with the UPSC preparation. In our online mode, we are only able to come up with one question per day, but in offline mode, we are making you practice 5 questions per day, and that is free initiative. You can come to our center and sit coolly and calmly and solve those 5 questions, and these are not random questions. They are questions very well structured, meticulously designed, that will hone your mathematical skills. So, if you want to join us in offline center, you are most welcome. Do not feel any shyness, do not have any inhibitions. We are there to help you. We are working relentlessly and tirelessly for your dreams to come true. So, you can visit Aryabhata Ashram for online, and for offline you can come to our office that is situated at 47 ground floor Old Rajendra Nagar near Batra Medical, New Delhi. And you can also contact us on the given numbers in the description, and you can also email us. Thank you.